Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. It's a beautiful yet chilly, and I'm not complaining by any means, morning here in Indio, California. I've been down here for the better part of a week down here, and I am excited to kind of catch up with everybody and see how everybody's doing out there. I'm going to show you the inside of Triple Slide Marathon Coach 1212. And Jim Cogley is woo-hoo! That's one of the guys that does a lot of detailing down here in the park, and he actually does some of the coach washing, and he's really good at being able to come at a moment's notice for us. So that's really good. We're going to show you inside Coach 1212, 1347 here on my side. 1347 is a coach that we've shown a couple of times. So we're going to go inside 1212. And then we're going to find Jim Cogley. He's around here somewhere. I think he's going to show you guys one of the things that we're going to do down here in the desert. So I'm going to flip you around here if I can do so. There we go. Good morning to everybody watching. Hope everyone had a good weekend. And a big hello to my friends up at Marathon in our marketing department. I know you guys are watching. Our videographer, John, Abigail. I'm not sure if Sarah's watching. But let's go in here and take a look at this beautiful consignment for sale. Now, this is a triple slide. So you got two slides in the front, with two recliners on the curbside, sofa and dinette on the driver's side. Large galley also over there just past those recliners. I see Richard's watching, someone that we ran into yesterday here in the desert. Good morning to you, Richard. Let me flip it around here so you can see it. Yes, Brian's pointing out that it's an M Celebration series, a series from this era of coach. This is a 2014. My man, Pat Oberg. This is a really nice coach. I like the two slides in the salon. Adds a lot of room up here in your living area. Sub-zero refrigerator, really good shower and water closet in this coach. Take a look at this. This coach is for sale right now, you guys. This is a consignment coach. Full washer dryer, lots of storage. You see all those drawers over there. Lots of closets. Rear closet, storage above and below the bed in Coach 1212. We've shown this coach before on Marathon Mondays. And one of the things that is going on right now, everybody, as you well know, whether you follow our website, our show, or just the luxury coach industry, coaches are selling very quickly. So if you see a coach out there that you're interested in, reach out to me, MALW. That's MalW at marathoncoach.com. You guys know my email by now. Had a little bit of rain down here, and we're expecting additional rain probably later today, but nothing like they're having back in Oregon at the mothership. There's a ton of rain. It's stormy weather up there. We're going to go into our office casita here at Motor Coach Country Club and just see what Jim Cogley's cooking up, because I think he was going to make some coffee for us. Hey, Jim.
Good morning.
How are you?
Doing well.
You have a Marathon branded cup in your hand. What are you up to?
Yes, I do, Mel. step into the Marathon kitchen and we'll pour you an espresso.
All right, let's see what's going on.
Here's what we got going, you guys. We got our full display out here. We're making actually Americanos.
I'm gonna switch sides with you so I get out of the glare.
Americanos this morning is the action, but you know we can spice them up. As you can see, we've got hazelnut and caramel and vanilla and all kinds of stuff here. So anyway, it's a beautiful morning.
It is a beautiful morning. This is something that we're going to be doing throughout the season. And we started doing it this morning, just making some espresso, some lattes, French press coffee. And I think we were working with our Stumptown this morning.
Yeah.
Yes, the hairbender. The hairbender is what Jim brewed up there on the espresso. So that's something that we're going to be doing periodically throughout the season, along with a few other really cool things. We've got some virtual events coming up.
Yes, we do.
And Jim, tell us about what the desert is like right now. I mean, I know we're coming up on the Christmas time, but there's still a lot of people in the park.
Yeah, we still have folks here. Some take off in this time frame, go home for Christmas, but we're pretty active. The park with all the new owners and all the activity. A lot of people are super excited to get here and get set up with their coaches and hang out. Still got beautiful weather. A little bit chillier in the mornings right now, but still beautiful. I think we're in for a little bit clouds and stuff tomorrow, but it's been beautiful, and so it's all good around here.
Absolutely. We just walked out of Coach 1212, a consignment triple slide. Tell us a little bit more about that, Coach, because it's one of the few coaches that we have available right now company wide, and it's a unique triple slide.
Beautiful coach, a one-owner coach, a well-maintained. Owners have a lot here at Motor Coach, so good friends, and they're ready to possibly move into an order in the future. And so we've got a very nice coach here. It just shows beautiful. It's very clean. So I think it's ready for a home.
I think it is too. All right, and I just saw that Thomas told us there's 18 inches of snow in Minnesota.
Wow.
Marathon paper cups. We also have the new Marathon tumblers. Those are really cool. Nice little setup here. And it's gonna be a really nice day. A little chilly this morning, but it's getting closer to Christmas, so I'm not complaining at all about the weather.
Not at all, no.
I'm gonna get an exterior shot. Big thanks to Jim for brewing up some coffee this morning.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
All right, we're gonna sign off with some exterior shots of this guy right here, and then we're gonna get out of here for the day. Hope everyone has a good week. If you are looking to get into a coach before the end of the year, reach out to me and I'll let you know what's available, what's coming up. There it is. All right, everybody. I will be back at the mothership next week for a live show from the production floor. Got a coach coming off the floor to show you. So we'll be looking at a new coach, I think, next week. Be yourself and do good things. Take care of each other and be safe. Have fun. And if you're looking to get into a coach, I don't think there's anything better than a marathon to spend your money on. So let me know what's going on. All right, everybody, take care, and we will see you next week.